Hi, my name is Janice. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove these shortcuts in your Google website, your homepage. Normally when you open the Google Chrome, there is actually a shortcut over here. So how do I remove it? You don't want it to show the shortcuts in your homepage, right? So, okay, basically there are a few methods. The first method I'm going to show you is click on this right side. There's actually a customized Chrome here. Click on it and then go to shortcuts. You can choose hide shortcuts. Click on this and done. All your shortcuts will be gone. So next time when I close this and open again, your shortcuts will not appear. Okay, this is one method. Let me unhide my shortcuts. Okay, the other one is my shortcuts, right? So one by one, you can actually click on each of your shortcuts. For example, I close this Amazon, I click on remove. There's actually a third button over here. Click on remove. Then there's a dotted this button. Click on it. Remove one by one. Look, I remove. YouTube, I remove. So you remove one by one all the shortcuts. Then you can, if you want, you can create your own shortcut. Just click on add and then the name and the website you want. So that's it. So all your shortcuts will not show in your homepage. This is how to remove shortcuts. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and do share with others. If you have any comments, please put in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.